A modern battle tank isn't built, it's engineered, tested, and verified like a moving fortress. Today, we follow the manufacturing journey from raw metal to a finished armored vehicle. Everything starts in the digital world, where designers simulate weight, balance, cooling, and durability long before a single part is cut. The backbone of the tank begins as armor-grade metal, tracked by serial numbers and strict quality controls to ensure consistency and reliability. High-precision cutting systems shape each panel with tight tolerances because millimeters matter when thousands of parts must align perfectly. The hull is assembled in giant jigs that hold parts in exact geometry, setting the foundation for strength, stability, and crew safety. Robotic welding creates clean, repeatable seams, while human specialists supervise critical joints where structural integrity is non-negotiable. Before anything moves forward, teams scan welds and structures for hidden flaws, catching problems that the eye can't see. The turret is shaped and machined with extreme precision, built to handle intense forces while keeping systems stable and accurate. The tank's power pack, engine, and transmission often comes as a modular unit designed for fast installation and easier maintenance. Mobility starts here. Suspension geometry, wheel spacing, and load-bearing components are installed and aligned for rough terrain performance. Tracks are fitted and adjusted to the correct tension. Too loose risks failure, too tight increases wear and reduces efficiency. Inside, it's a high-tech network, power distribution, sensors, communications, and control systems integrated like an aircraft-grade platform. One of the defining moments, turret meets hull. The fit must be perfect, so rotation, stability, and system connections work flawlessly. After surface preparation, protective coatings and paint are applied, not just for looks, but for corrosion resistance and durability in harsh environments. The last stage is verification, diagnostics, safety checks, and test runs to confirm the vehicle performs as designed before it's officially cleared as mission ready.